Yo, YouTube, what's going on? It's your boy Speedy, back with another banger fucking video, back with another POV, y'all boys. If y'all seen the last video, y'all know your boy is on stage 2, nigga. We is on stage 2. We got the BURBLES on. Dang, I don't even have them on their highest setting. You know, I gotta do a real cold start for you. Y'all gotta, man. Oh shit. Oh, we gotta go see what that is. We gotta go see what that is. Hold on. Oh, y'all hear that? Y'all hear that? Hold on, we on that. Hold on, we on that. I need to go find out what that is. I need to find out what that is immediately. Move, Infinity. What was that? This shit sound bad. Well, yo, what was that though? That joint sounded like a freaking machine gun. Hold on. Let's go find out what that was. Oh, that's what it was. Hold on, y'all ready for the BURBLES? Y'all ready for the BURBLES? Oh, they was so, oh my, they weak sauce. Weak sauce is hell, boy. Oh, weak sauce. Them joints weak sauce, man. Bro, YouTube, I just want to say thank you for everyone that's been supporting the channel, bro. It really is a blessing, bro. Ooh. Ooh, y'all hear that? Y'all hear that? Hold on. Boom, boom, boom. We on our way. Oh, we know who in there. We know what demographic is in that car. I don't even gotta say too much. Chat. We already know what demographic is in that car. Huh, man, trying to go. We got one on. Yeah, we already know who in there. Bro, stage 2 been treating your boy mad nice. I need to get gas, but I'm gonna do that later. I'm gonna do that after the video. Bro. How's y'all week been? I know I ain't dropping like a day or two. My fault, OG. After that stage 2, your boy had to go get inspected. I literally actually just left from inspection. Just left from the inspection spot. Literally just left from the inspection spot. Bro, they hit me with windows and my brakes. I do need new brakes because you can't hear that. I'm not gonna lie, you can't hear that. But I mean, besides that, everything else is looking good. Have dark temp below 35%. Front brake rotors, disc have major grooves, all-wheel drive, you feel me? Boom, but besides that, we good. Freaking, we Gucci, chat. We Gucci, bro. Hitting y'all with this nice little POV. I hope y'all can see. I hope everything is good, because I know sometimes I be looking back at the videos and it be like, it kind of looks like it's like really freaking bright, and I hope we still recording. Yeah, it looks really bright, and I don't want that, and it don't help with the sun being all up in our face right now either. I do need to upgrade my maybe that was the wrong car. Nah, it went that way. Oh. Is it that Magnum? When Magnum started sounding like that, I knew they had an SRT8 in them, but damn, nigga, that motherfucker sound good. That joint sound mad good. I'm not gonna cap. Oh, I gotta hop on the highway. Oh my gosh, we about to hit traffic. We about to hit traffic, bro. It's whatever. It's whatever. We gonna get up out of there. We gonna get through there. Oh, it was definitely that Magnum. It was. He is loud. Oh yeah, he hopping on the highway, I think. He not hopping on the highway. Look at his, it's literally falling apart. Who knows how old that Magnum is? Yo, the sun mad bright right now, bro. Bro, I need to clean the car. Ooh, Acura TSX. Ooh, we got 12 right behind him. Got 12 right behind him. Bro. Ooh, that was the actual cat. That drone look good. Wide body cat. You don't see those every day. You definitely don't see cats every day. Oh my. Dang. I have my joint set to where I don't get burbles after like 6,000 RPMs. Go ahead. Oh, that's a G25. I hope y'all can see that. That's a G25. Go ahead, bro. All right, he BSing, bro. Oh, there go 12. Bro, this is why I did not want to hop on the highway, gang. This is exactly why I did not want to hop on the highway, gang. I knew this was finna happen, bro. You don't keep going, bro. Somebody gonna have to let me over. Somebody gonna have to let me over. A-chat, somebody gonna have to let me over. Look, right here. Oh, this don't feel the greatest. This don't feel the greatest. This not the greatest. Look. And now we in the lane. Now we in the lane, chat. Now we in the lane. His joint say bravo. Oh my god, and this is just a downpipe, bro. Yo. Bro, I'm not gonna lie, bro. The amount of torque this freaking car has now is actually crazy, bro. It's actually crazy. Like, it really pushes you back in your seat, gang. Where did my phone go? Yo, gang, where did my phone go? What the hell, boy? Holy, bro, the way this car just pulls, bro. Bro, don't worry, bro. Tomorrow, I got races coming for y'all. Bro. I wanted to give y'all some races last week, gang, but things did not go out as planned, bro. Like, I went to a couple car meets, they all got shut down by 12. I ain't really get to know. I didn't get to get that many races in, and the races I did get, bro, I didn't record them, bro. And that's my fault. So I want to apologize to y'all boys, because I need to be consistently dropping y'all content. Ooh, look at that 5 series right there. I'm not even gonna front. This is no hate to the G30, to us G30 boys. I'm not gonna lie, the F10 chassis is low-key fire. I'm not even gonna lie, that F10 chassis is just mad clean. Like, I love it. I ain't gonna lie, if it was the LCI edition, I would like those headlights more. I like the headlights more than the F10, but the F10 headlights, or tail lights, I want to say, actually are fire. That's fire, but that's a 528i, so it's trash. Well, let me not say it's trash. It's a Beamer boy at the day. He a Beamer boy at heart. He not fast yet, you know. Well, no, you probably could make a 528i really fast if you throw hella money into it, and then it still might blow up on you. I'm trying to figure out where the heck did my freaking phone go. I hope y'all can hear those burbles. Oh my. Is it cut up time? Cut up time. Ooh. Excuse me. Ooh, up out of there. Bro, I freaking love BMWs, gang. I love BMW so much, bro. Bro, if y'all know my other channel, bro, y'all know I had a BMW when I went to Cali, bro. Fell in love. And mind you, that was a 3 Series. That was a 330i. That was a hybrid, bro. Hold on. Oh my god, that was a freaking hybrid, bro. Oh my God, the way this car can just, ooh, the way this, oh my gosh. Hercules, Hercules, Hercules. Oh my gosh, this car is so fire. Oh, they're going on my brethren. G30 boy, G30 boy. Oh my God, go ahead, get out the way. Fuck, fuck, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. I mean, my guts go in a little bit, I ain't gonna lie. Oh my. Ah. And I be wondering why my gas mileage is so low now. Honestly, with just a downpipe and tune, I still get like 17 miles per gallon. But I got my burble tunes on, so that probably makes it even less. And honestly, chat, I'm not gonna lie, I might turn the burbles off. I'm not gonna lie, cause I've been doing a lot more research, and y'all let me know y'all let me know. I have my burbles on medium, cause I know aggressive, bro, it kills turbos. I know burbles kill turbos. I've been in the Facebook groups, I've been in the forums, I looked up the what does burbles do. All I see is burble kills your turbo. So unfortunately, the burbles are most likely gonna have to be turned off sooner or later. But it's just like, bro, I've driven this car with no burbles, and twin, after getting the burbles on, bro, I turned them off. It's like it's a whole different car, bro. It's like it's not even the same car, twin. It's literally like it's not even the same car, bro. And that be blowing me, gang. That really be blowing me. Bro, I really gotta give y'all a nighttime POV drive. I gotta give y'all a nighttime POV drive in like in the city, bro. I really gotta give y'all a nighttime POV drive in DC, bro, cause that is going to be fire. Fire. Y'all gonna be able to see all the little nice ambient lighting in the V, plus the nice city lights. Oh my freaking gosh, I know it's gonna be fire. I know it's gonna be fire. I have so many Ooh, whoa, what the heck, bro? Every time I freaking record, yo, he was tripping. Every time I freaking record, I literally almost get into an accident, or I see an accident about to happen. But like I was freaking saying, I hope y'all can freaking see, bro. I'm gonna be mad if y'all can't. I'm gonna freaking, nah, y'all should be able to see. Are we still recording? Oh shit, we are still recording, great. But nah, I just want to start recording a lot more, bro. I need to find my freaking phone, bro. I'm not even gonna lie. I don't know where it went. Bro, my car is low-key like too dirty right now, bro. Like, I need to get some of this stuff out of here, bro. But it's freaking work, bro. It's just like, I be working. I be having so much stuff in here. Where did my phone go, though? Hold on. You might have to take a pause, because where did my phone actually go, gang? Like, what? Oh, there's even lights in here? There is. I didn't even peep that. Dang, I might have lost my phone. It's in the car somewhere, but dang, I can't even play no music. I don't even, bro. Alright, it's whatever, bro. But it looked like my phone's about to die, so I ain't gonna lie. It's always say it's almost at like at least 5%, but at least I know where I'm going at this point. At least I know where I'm going at this point, y'all boys. Oh my God. Oh my. Oh my gosh. Ooh. Ooh, that's a nice little 5 Series. And it's so crazy. I'm not gonna lie to y'all boys. The F10 chassis, I used to not be the biggest fan of it. I only like the G30 chassis M5. I still want it so bad to this day. If I'm ever able to get an M5, bro, if y'all can make it a way to where I can get an M5 on this channel, bro, oh my freaking gosh, y'all don't understand. Y'all don't understand how psyched I'm finna be, bro. I will crash out. I'll crash out by the M5, bro. I will crash out by the M5, bro. Y'all don't even understand, bro. Bro, even in freaking comfort, you still get burbles. I just did. Oh no, it's like 25 around here. Fuck. Uh-oh. I might have a ticket on the way. Uh-oh. That's not the greatest. But yeah, y'all boys. Like I was saying, bro, if we could get a freaking M5 on that channel, bro, oh my gosh. That's my dream car right there, bro. Twin turbo V8. Amazing. Oh, that's what I was about to say. I just got a I just did my oil change on this car. Car been running good ever since, bro. No problems, no nothing. I've had the car for going on what, 2 months now. No problem. At first, I did have that catalytic converter problem, but then I took the cat off and put a downpipe and then put the tune on it. I've had no code. Literally, I have no code ever since then. I'm pretty sure MHD just, when you put that you have a downpipe, it automatically just erases that code from the ECU. So I'm just like, hey man, say man, hey man, say man. It's good in my books. I'm gonna be honest, it's good in my books. But nah, bro. This car is so fire, bro. This car is so fire, bro. Oh my goodness. Oh. Dang, oh. Look at the little ginger. Dang, YouTube, but y'all ain't gonna lie, y'all might get 2 videos today. I'm not gonna lie, y'all might get 2 videos. No, maybe not today. I might record 2 videos. So I'm headed somewhere right now. I'm actually about to be there in like 2 minutes. But I'm headed somewhere right now, and then when I leave, it's probably gonna be dark. So I might do a nighttime POV. So hey, 2 videos. Hey, we trying to get them out there. I'm trying to push as much content out as I possibly can. I'm trying to grow this channel, bro. And I know the best way to do that is just to be consistently dropping on all platforms, whether it be YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, all platforms, bro. Speedy G30 on all platforms, bro. All platforms, bro. I'm not gonna lie to y'all boys. It was like 2, 3 Hellcats in this neighborhood, right? They was at this one house. Bruh, tell me why I came back here one day. They are all gone, gang. They are all gone. All 3 of the Hellcats gone. Everybody that was in the house, gone. They don't even live there no more. I was like, yo, what? That is crazy. That is actually crazy. But YouTube, I am here at my destination. I will catch y'all boys in the next video. It's been your boy Speedy G30. I'm gonna catch y'all boys in the next one. Speedy out.
See the red, ain't got no remorse for no fuck, nigga. My wrist cost a nigga, them motherfucker. I get nasty, drop a bag and have your cousin touch you up.